Hey, so are you trying to earn money while staying at home but you really don't have a skill? Well, don't worry, because in today's video I will talk about a free web app with which you can earn money without having any skill and without using a professional software. So I'm talking about Fotor, and it's a free web app. You can also download their iOS or Android applications, but for today we will talk about their web app. So basically with this app you can design posters, business cards, channel arts, or different kind of graphic designs that will help you earn money. And you really don't need to have any graphic design experience, because this app has its own variety of templates which you can just drag and drop and make some changes and then sell it to your clients. But make sure that you acquire some company standard skills as well, because you cannot totally depend on this free web app. You will have to acquire some company standard skills so that in the future you can totally depend on those skills. This is Zeerak here, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we are at Fotor.com, and Fotor can do three main things. The number one thing that Fotor can do is to add a photo. So for example, if you want to add a portrait shot, you have a range of beauty retouching tools that can make your portrait shots look great. Or you can also edit landscape photos as well. The second thing that Fotor can do is that it can make collage or different collages. So, and the third thing that Fotor can do is create design, and by that I mean it can design posters, flyers, brochures, and every kind of design, a stationery design that a company or a client may need. So for example, if we go on Fiverr here and we search for let's just say poster design and hit enter, we can see here that we have a lot of different people selling their services of poster design, starting from $5 to $10 and all the way up to $80 or even more. So let's just say that you are acquiring some skills. Either they are programming skills or computing or networking or 3D modeling skill, whatever the skill you are acquiring. But while you acquire a skill, while you learn a new skill, you also want to earn money. So how are you going to do that? Well, let's just assume that you create a profile on Fiverr and you make a gig and you say that I will design a poster for you, or I will design a business card for you, or I will design a flyer for you. And then once you have made some gigs, you do some you do some keyword game and you get an order. So for example, on your poster design gig you get an order from client and he wants a poster on Halloween. So now what you're gonna do, you don't have any skill or you don't have any graphic design software. Now how are you going to complete that order? Well, it's super easy. You just have to go to Fotor.com here, and from here just sign up or sign in. I have my Facebook account connected with it, so I'm just gonna log in with my Facebook account here, and here we go, my account has been logged in. So once you have logged in, just simply have to click on this button here which says create a design, and it will lead us to this web app where we can design different things. So now in front of your screen you can see that we have the recommended templates or recommended sizes. We have the ticket template, we have mobile wallpaper template, we have resume template, and then we have all different templates, poster template and YouTube channel art. Then we have these social media post templates here. You can design Instagram post and Facebook post from here. Then you can design channel art, Facebook cover, etc. and stuff like that. But for now we are looking to design a poster. So from here we will select this poster. We can also select business card or flyer. So let's just select this poster here, and it will lead us to this page here from where we can design our poster. So now here we can see that we have this blank document here. We have this navigation pane here, like we can move this around here. So if you want to build a poster from scratch, you can easily do so. So let's just say that we want to change our background color. So how we can do that? Well, we will simply click here, and here we can see this color palette here, and from here we will change our color like this. So these are all the default colors, and if we want to choose our own color, we can choose from here and it will be applied like this. And then if you want to add some elements, some stickers, it's easy as well. But if you want to quickly make a poster and sell it to your client, how are you gonna do that? Well, it's super easy. On your left side, you can see here that there is a template option, and when you click on it, different type of templates will appear. But we are looking for a Halloween themed template. So in this search bar here, we will search for Halloween and press enter. And then all the templates related to Halloween will appear. But now here you can see that on some of these we have this little diamond or heart icon. So what does this icon represent? Well, it means that in order to use these templates without a watermark, you will have to upgrade to their premium membership, which is $40 per year. And I guess that's a quite good deal. But if you want to go the free way, you will have to find a free template. So let's just scroll down, and yeah, here we have this free template here. So we will select this one here, and to select this, just simply click on it, and it will ask us to replace the current template, and just simply click replace here, and the current template will be replaced. So we have this complete poster ready to be printed out. But we can't print this template as it will be too obvious. We will have to make some changes. So for example, we want to change our text, we want to change its color or its font. It's super easy. Just select this text here and all its options will appear here. And from here, we will change its text here to something like scary. So we will change horror to scary, and we will change its font to something like let's just say railway black. Yes, like this. Looks pretty cool here. Now to change our color, we can change our color from here. We can change the font size from here, and we can then obviously change its alignment if you want to. We can make it bold, italic, or if you want to make it uppercase or lowercase, we can simply do from here. We can also make it underline, and then we have the letter spacing option here. So if you want to increase or decrease letter spacing or vertical spacing, we can do from here. And then we can also duplicate our text element. We can rotate it. We can add a shadow to it. So let's just add a drop shadow to our text here. Let's zoom in a bit and change its transparency to something like 25 and like this. Okay, so it now looks a little 3D type. And then again, we have some transparency options, so we can decrease or increase its opacity if we want to. And also we can lock or delete our layer here. So once we are happy with the text, now if we want to add some extra elements to our poster, how are we going to do that? Well, that's easy as well. From here, below the template icon, we have this sticker icon. And if we click on it, we will get a lot of different stickers, a lot of different free and premium stickers. So if you want to use your own sticker, you can upload your stickers here, or you can upload your images here, and we're going to come back to this in a little while. But for now, let's just go to sticker here and just search for pumpkin. So now here you can see that we have different pumpkins here, and most of them are for premium users, but we will add this white pumpkin here. Just simply click on it and it will be added to your document. And to resize it, just select any anchor point and decrease it like this. Change its transparency to something like let's just say 50% here, and click here to clone this one here and increase its size to something like this, and rotate this one a little bit like this. Yeah, like this. Or maybe we can change this one a little as well. Yeah, looks cool. So that is how you can add different elements to your poster design, and you really don't have to use the complete design that Fotor provides. So you can obviously play with your creativity and design creative stuff as well. And now let's just say that we want to add some extra text. How are we going to do that? Well, just below the sticker option, we have the text option. So when we click on this option, we will get 4 types of text templates. So let's just say we want to add a heading. So let's just simply click here and it will be added. And now from here, you can simply change the text and its formatting as well. But for now, let's just delete our text here and move to background. So for example, if you want to change your background, just go to background, and from here, you can give your background a solid color. Like you can give it a red color or maybe a little darker red here, like this. Or if you want to add a background image to your poster, you can add as well. Either you can upload your own background image, or you can browse from these wonderful and beautiful background images as well. But most of them are paid, so you will have to keep that in mind. So this is how we can change our background images as well. So here we can see that our poster kind of looks pretty cool here. But let's just say that we want to add a logo in our document or some other image in our document. How are we gonna do that? Well, it's easy as well. Let's go to cloud here, and from here upload an image by clicking on this button here, browse any image, and then open that file. So for example, we have uploaded an image and all the uploaded images will appear here. From now here, just simply click on this image here and the image will be added. And now you can change the size of the image and place it anywhere. You can add filters to it like you do in Instagram or any other editing app. Like you can add filters to your picture. Then you can flip your images if you want to. You can crop it. And if you want to use this image as a background, just simply click this button and your image will be added as a background. But let's just say we don't want this image here and we will simply delete it here. So this is how easy it is to design a poster. So once you are ready with the poster's design, just simply replace the text with the information that your client provided. And if you have some extra text, just simply go and delete that text out. And once you are satisfied with the design, your client approves the design, it's time to save now. And to save your design, it's really easy. Just simply click the save icon here and a pop-up will appear. Here, give your file a name, write a Halloween, like this. And if your client needs this poster for web purposes, just simply select JPG or PNG. But if your client wants to print out this design, just select PDF and you are all good to go. But you will have to keep that in mind. In the free version, you cannot save your design in CMYK mode. You will have to go with the RGB mode, which is actually for web purposes, and therefore when you will print out this document, there will be a slight difference in the actual colors. So keep that in mind. And when you are all set, just simply hit download and your design will be generated, and then it will be downloaded to your computer or your device, whatever you are using. So here we have this lovely printable poster design that we can send to our client and complete the project. So this is how easy it is to earn money without actually having a skill or using a premium software. And for the pricing, they are $40 per year. And for students, if you're a student, you can avail their 30% student discount, and I will add a link to that discount in the description below as well. So this was it from this video. I hope that this software will help you get started with freelancing and while you learn some company standard skills as well. So don't waste any time waiting for the perfect moment or for perfect opportunity. Just go ahead, make a profile on any freelancing platform and start earning. And don't forget that you will have to learn some company standard skills that you can use in the future, because obviously you cannot totally depend on this small kind of work. Well, that's it from this video. We'll meet you in another one. And till then, take care. Alane Gevan and Z out.